to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see 4 types of blending techniques. First and foremost, we have to keep everything ready so that we don't have to search for our art supplies while painting. And if everything is ready, then it is very easier for us to work on it. So, in today's video, we are going to blend colors on small canvases. I have some acrylic colors with me, a glass of water and some flat brushes. The bristles of brushes should be good enough while blending colors, like this. We are going to see 4 types of blending techniques today. Here I have small canvas 15 by 15 centimeter, that is 6 by 6 inches. Canvases are always in rough surface, so you can always apply gesso on it before blending colors. It will give you a great effect on it. If you don't have gesso with you, then you can even moist the texture using wet brush on it. Now we will start with first blending technique. I am going to use green and white for first technique. My first blending technique is horizontal blending. You can use any color combination, but I'll be using green and white for first technique. Apply green color from top, moving to downward. You can use paint directly on canvas. If you feel it is thick, then you can dilute color with water. It will give you soft blending effect on it. Now apply white color from bottom to top. Blend it in the same way with green color. See how I do. After you finish, just take one plain brush and go on blending from bottom to top. That's it. This is how it looks. You can see the blending. Here we go with second blending technique. For second technique, I am going to use blue and white color. This is also going to be a horizontal blending, but the technique will be little bit different. Here I have a palette. I am going to add blue and white color in it. Dip half brush in blue color and half brush in white color. Now start blending from the center of canvas like this. More blue color on top of the canvas. Now add white color from bottom. Just go on blending color. Blend it with blue color. Again use separate flat dry brush to blend color properly. Here we come with third technique, that is diagonal blending. I'm going to use red and white for the third blending. You have to dip half brush in red color and half brush in white color. Now apply that color in diagonal direction. Add some more red color on top of the corner. This kind of blending is very useful to finish the edges of the corner of painting. Now apply some white color from the bottom of the painting. Now for fourth blending, I'll be using pink and cream color. My fourth blending technique is circular blending. First I am going to paint with pink color the edges of the canvas. All four corners I am going to paint first in circular area. Now I am going to use cream color in the middle of circle and I am just going to blend it with pink color. This is the final result of our blendings. You can check it out. It gives amazing results.